Hello, beautiful people. Think of collagen as the glue that holds your body together. In fact, collagen comes from the Greek word kolla, meaning glue. It's the fibrous protein found throughout your body, in organs, muscles, skin, hair, nails, teeth, bones, blood vessels, tendons, joints, cartilage, and your digestive system. There are many different types of collagen, 16 to be exact, that do different things, but the majority of collagen, up to 90%, is type 1. This is the most common and strongest type of collagen. Like a superhero, it's even stronger than steel. This type is found in your skin, bones, organs, eyes, and inside your digestive tract. Starting at about age 35, collagen production naturally begins to slow, which can have all sorts of negative effects on your body. By age 40, collagen begins to deplete faster than your body can reproduce it. And by age 60, over one-half of your body's collagen has been depleted. So in addition to the external benefits of collagen, what else can it do for you? You might be surprised. 1. Helps repair a leaky gut. Nearly 80% of your immune system is housed in your gut. One of the main reasons I use collagen supplementation is to help repair a leaky gut. When you have a leaky gut, toxins, food particles, and infections can pass through your intestinal wall and into your bloodstream, causing inflammation. Therefore, if you have been diagnosed with an autoimmune disease or thyroid condition, then you likely have a leaky gut and you would benefit from adding collagen into your diet. That's because your intestinal wall is made up of microscopic folds or villi, which are actually built of collagen. 2. Improves the appearance of hair, skin, and nails. Hair loss and skin issues can be symptoms of thyroid dysfunction, as well as the normal aging process. As you age, you may have noticed that your skin has become looser and less elastic. And there may be wrinkles or creases where your skin was once more smooth and supple. You might also experience brittle nails, peeling, splitting, or breakage. Your hair may also begin to thin and become dry and brittle. This is because collagen protein is essential to healthy hair, skin, and nails. As I mentioned, your natural production of it decreases as you age. Increasing collagen intake can go a long way to make your skin appear more firm and smooth. It can also impact the appearance of your hair's fullness and shine. Many people don't realize that by adding collagen to your diet can also help in reducing the appearance of cellulite and stretch marks. When skin loses its elasticity and becomes thin, cellulite becomes more obvious. Collagen can help to increase moisture retention, boost elasticity, and help smooth out that dimpled appearance, as well as those fine lines. 3. Impacts joint health. Much like oil in a car, collagen allows your joints, tendons, and ligaments to glide and move easily. With age, and as your collagen production depletes, your joints can become stiff, swollen and painful, even causing a lack of mobility. Collagen contains the amino acids glycine and proline, which help to support joint mobility and a healthy inflammatory response. 4. Supports weight management. Collagen can even help you manage your weight. Glycine, the amino acid I mentioned earlier, forms muscle by converting glucose into energy. Having more lean muscle tissue gives your metabolism a boost because muscle burns more calories than fat. Essentially, collagen helps to turn your body into a fat-burning machine, even when you're at rest. There is some evidence to also suggest that supplemental collagen may support a feeling of fullness after you eat. 5. Maintains your heart health. Proline, which is found in collagen, can impact the depositing of fat in your arteries and the repair of tissues within them. Arterial fat may play a role in blood pressure and hardening of the arteries. 6. Supports bone formation, growth, and repair. Calcium is not the only component for healthy bones. Your bones are collagen, which gives them their flexibility. Your bone cells are constantly turning over, and adding collagen protein to your daily diet may support both health by increasing bone mineral density. Several studies have shown that osteoporosis can be impacted by supplementing with hydrolyzed collagen. 7. Impacts detoxification and liver function. The toxins we are exposed to every day must be processed by your liver to be removed from your body. Glycine, which is found in collagen, can support your liver during the potentially damaging detoxification process. This is particularly welcome news for those of you who consume alcohol, a toxin I suggest you avoid. As if all this weren't enough, glycine may even support a calming and restful sleep. How to add collagen into your diet? I highly recommend supplementing your diet with collagen. Where can you find good sources? Check the first link in the video description. Of course, there are collagen-rich foods: spinach, kale, tomatoes, beets, fish and many others. And bone broth has become wildly popular in recent years as an excellent source of collagen. However, many people find it inconvenient to incorporate bone broth into their diets or go through the process of making it at home. The many beneficial effects of collagen go far beyond skin deep. With my convenient, ready-to-use capsule, you can easily make it a part of your daily health regimen. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.